Ever wake up at 2 or 3 in the morning? Heart racing, mind restless, and no matter what you do, you just can't get back to sleep. They say that night wakings are normal, part of aging, just stress. But I promise you that's barely scratching the surface. In this video, I'll break down the 3 biggest culprits behind those middle of the night wake-ups, and the fixes that can stop them so that you finally sleep deeper and wake energized. And that matters, because broken sleep doesn't just leave you groggy, it wrecks your hormones, drains your energy, and even accelerates aging. The crazy part, these triggers are hiding in plain sight right now. I'm that far, and for over 20 years, I've helped people reclaim their energy and fix their sleep. I've worked with CEOs, billionaires, and everyday folk, and sold over 12,000 books and courses. Now here's what irritates me most. The common advice given is that you just need a better mattress, melatonin, chamomile tea. But this is missing the real villains, the silent saboteurs behind your 3 a.m. awakenings. But once you see them, everything clicks. So let's get into it. Saboteur 1, the temperature trap. Most people lose years to this first mistake and have no idea it's happening. Here's the setup. Bedroom feels perfect, cozy, comfortable, but that comfort is destroying your sleep. Here's the science. Your body naturally cools by about 1 degree centigrade. That drop in temperature is what triggers the release of melatonin and helps you slide into a deep, restorative sleep. But if you're sleeping in a bedroom of 20 degrees or more, or under that uber warm, it feels lovely when you're awake, but at 2 a.m., it's like trying to sleep in a sauna with the heating on. You might not even feel hot when you wake up. You just wake up with no obvious reason. Your body's desperately trying to cool you down. It can't and jolts you awake like a faulty smoke alarm. The wild part is that research out of Harvard shows that 38% of people fix their night wakings by simply adjusting the temperature alone. Set your room to 16 to 18 degrees centigrade, which is 61 to 64 Fahrenheit. I know for some of you that might sound brutal, but you can adapt pretty quickly. Just make the changes gradually, 1 degree every week or so. You also might want to consider switching to breathable bedding and lighter pajamas, or better yet, sleep naked. But here's where it gets really interesting. The second trigger is even more sneaky. Saboteur 2, the light leak hijack. You think your room is dark, it's not. That tiny standby light on your TV, the street lamp bleeding through your curtains, the glow from your phone charger. Your brain is registering every single photon, even with your eyes shut. And here's what's actually terrifying about this. Studies show that even 1 lux of light can reduce your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that keeps you asleep. Now, lux is a measure of light intensity, and 1 lux equates to the light of a full moon coming through your bedroom window or a TV standby light, while street lights bleeding through your curtains can be as high as 30 lux. So imagine what effect that could be having on your body's production of melatonin. Without sufficient melatonin, you drift much more into a lighter sleep, and any tiny sound, a car door, your partner shifting, own body trying to roll over, can wake you up. You can buy blackout curtains, but the reality is you need to eliminate every light source. Cover the electronics, get a proper sleep mask. Basically treat light like kryptonite. Now, if you're finding the advice I've shared so far helpful, you can get even more advice like this from my free sleep recovery cheat sheet, where I give you a full breakdown of solutions for overcoming many common sleep problems. Just comment sleep below and I'll send you a copy. Now, light and temperature are one thing, well, 2 things, but the metabolic nightmare I'm about to expose is another. Saboteur 3, the blood sugar bomb. Third trigger. This one is the ticking time bomb inside your body as you sleep. Around 3 a.m., your blood sugar crashes. Not because you're diabetic, not because you're sick, often because you ate the wrong thing or you didn't eat enough of the right thing. Here's the problem. Your body detects this drop in blood sugar and thinks you're literally dying. So it floods your system with cortisol and adrenaline. It's like your body hired the the world's most paranoid personal trainer who screams code red every time your blood sugar levels dip slightly. It does this because these stress hormones mobilize the glucose stored in your liver in order to restore your blood sugars to healthy levels. But as a side effect, within a matter of minutes, your heart starts pounding. Your brain switches on. You're wide awake, feeling wired and anxious. But you don't feel hungry. You just feel like something's catastrophically wrong. You can't figure out what. So you're left staring at the ceiling, wondering why your body has declared war on your sleep. So what's the fix? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all approach, as we are all different metabolically speaking. But here are some good starting points. Number 1, ensure you have protein and fat with your evening meal. Real fat, avocados, nuts, olive oil. This keeps your blood sugar stable for many hours. And avoid carb-rich or sugar-rich meals and snacks at night. Number 2, your nighttime blood sugars mirror your daytime blood sugars. So if you're eating poorly and not regulating your blood sugar levels properly during the day, don't expect your nighttime sugars to be any different. Number 3, poor thyroid, liver, or adrenal health. These will impact your sugars at night. So if you suspect that any of these are a problem, seek professional guidance from someone like a functional medicine practitioner or a health coach. Someone like myself. I'll leave my contact details in the description in case you need that extra support. Number 4, you can try eating something like nut butter just before going to sleep to help keep your blood sugar levels up at healthy levels throughout the night. But this is far from an ideal solution and should only be considered as a last resort. So let's bring this to a conclusion. Night wakings aren't random. They're not bad luck. They happen in predictable cycles between 2 and 4 a.m. That's when your cortisol is naturally lowest, your temperature regulation is most critical, and your blood sugar is most vulnerable. Your body is literally designed to wake up during this window if something's wrong. It's an ancient survival mechanism. Modern life has made that something wrong the default state. But here's what's beautiful about this. If you fix the signals, you fix your sleep. Start tonight. So here's your simplified game plan. Temperature, colder than you think. Light, darker than you think. Blood sugar, more stable than you've been making it. Fix 1 tonight, you'll probably notice a difference. Fix 2, you'll sleep better than you have in months. Fix all 3, you'll remember what it's actually like to wake up fully rested instead of like you've been hit by a truck carrying insomnia. Now, if you want an extra helping hand, there are some useful supplements that can complement these improvements. And remember, I said complement, not replace. To learn more about which ones actually work, check out my video, 3 supplements to help you fall asleep faster. If you want to receive more helpful videos like this, hit subscribe. I drop energy, sleep, and performance tips and shortcuts every week. Activate the bell so you'll never miss them. Remember, your body isn't broken. It's responding exactly as it should to the signals you're giving it. Change the signals tonight and change your sleep forever.